Is this you? Getting excited and heading out for a ride on your motorcycle when you reach the traffic lights at the end of your street and become stuck. Seemingly waiting forever for that persistent red light to eventually turn green. Seeing cars on the other side of the road go before you, even though you were there first. Every red light taking 10 minutes to change, and you start to wonder, do they even know you're there? It's a common problem for motorcyclists, but fear not, because Quack's got the solution for you.